My dear students and the viewer, I am Vishwajit Das, lecturer in English, Ramshil College, Kotalipara, Gopalganj. I am with an English class for class 12, and this is from English paper 2. Today's topic is pronoun and pronoun referencing, which is a very important chapter for the second paper in the class 12. But the fact is that we do not know the basic thing about pronoun. To know about the fundamental knowledge about pronoun, we have some objectives here. To know about pronoun number 1 and number 2, about kinds of pronoun, number 3, about some kinds of pronoun specially that we will know, specially about some pronouns which are widely used. And let us start. At first we should know what is pronoun. Pronoun is a word used substitute of a noun or noun equivalent. There are different grammarians who have their different definitions, but easy to understand that pronoun is a substitute word of a noun. Now, what is the objective of learning pronoun? The main objective of learning pronoun is to omission of noun. When in some sentences we use noun frequently and the same noun repeatedly used loses the beauty of the passage or the whole sentences, and that is the cause to reduce some word into pronoun. Okay, the main objectives of the pronoun is to save repetition use of noun. This is our main target to learn pronoun. And pronoun referencing is also the same. You will get different pronouns in a passage. There may be error of using pronoun. There may be repetition of using the similar pronoun, and there may be repetition of using noun. These kinds of fault may be found in pronoun referencing. The students, you may find it difficult at first because you are doing this for the first time and you haven't done before, and so it may be a problem for you, but it is very easy, I think so, if you know about the classifications or kinds of pronoun. And let us write the definition of pronoun, what Nesfield said. Dear students, write down on your khata The definition is very important, given by J.C. Nesfield, whose book is still valued with the grammarians. A pronoun is a word used instead of noun or noun equivalent. So, not only noun, we can use pronoun instead of noun equivalent. Let us go to know about the kinds of pronoun and their examples. I request you to memorize these, because you must find the use of these pronouns when you will go through pronoun referencing. Okay? Dear viewers and students, kinds of pronoun and example. It is very difficult to say that how many pronouns are. Different grammarians have given their different opinion, I told you before. But from reading some important grammar books that are available in the market, we know that there are about 9 kinds of pronoun here, maybe more than that, and I will discuss about how many more kind it may be. Here mainly we can see that first one, personal pronoun, and example is very clear. Personal, that indicates person. I, we, you, she, he, they. And next, possessive pronoun, that also comes from personal pronoun. And I like to mention you that today possessive pronoun, that single possessive, are used as adjective when it is used before a noun or noun equivalent. Then single possessive is adjective, but double possessive, mine, ours, yours, hers, theirs, these are double possessive and they are considered as possessive pronoun. Next one is demonstrative pronoun. This, that, these, those, it, and that demonstrate thing, show the thing specially. This is demonstrative pronoun. Here it is also, it is often used in personal subject. Next one, distributive pronoun. That means, it means individually a person or thing, maybe many in number but indicates individually, then it is distributive, such as is, every, either, neither. And you should remember that they are all singular because it indicates individually, not for the whole. Next, 5, interrogative. It is very common. We have interrogative sentence, interrogative pronoun, interrogative adjective. Interrogative means that is used for asking question. The who is, whom, what. There are WH questions, and this is which are used for asking question and interrogative. Here, indefinite pronoun, one, some, all, any, none. These words indicate not a certain or thing or individual, but commonly it indicates, and so they are indefinite pronoun. Next one, relative pronoun, very important pronoun, and relative means that makes relation. Relative pronoun makes relation with two clauses in a sentence and add them, subordinate and principal clause, and who is, that, what, these are relative pronoun. Next one, reflexive pronoun, that is the production of personal pronoun, especially you look, my, them, his, it, and add selves, these. When we use self or selves with personal pronouns sometime, and it indicates the person himself or herself or thing itself, and then it is called reflexive pronoun. And finally we can say that reciprocal pronoun only find two, each other, one another mostly found, and reciprocal pronoun usually reciprocate one another. And these are the 8 kinds of pronoun we get. So we have learned 9 kinds of pronouns here, and especially I want to give you some tips on relative pronoun. Who is, that, and what, these are relative pronoun. Relative pronoun stands after an antecedent. Antecedent means period word that indicates the relative pronoun. Who is used instead of person, which is used instead of thing, baby, and some birds or animal that are called lower kind of animals or birds, and that is used both person or thing, and what, that, and which is equal to what. So I need to give you some reference book for further study, and write down the name of the books. Here are some reference books. Number 1, English Grammar Series by J.C. Nesfield. You have to find out it in the market. The book is not available everywhere, but you must get it in the capital or district town also. Number 2, English Grammar and Composition, P.C. Dash, very available book in our market. Number 3, Self-Teaching English Language by Professor F.M. Abdul Rauf. This book is also available for the junior students. You have to learn that grammar is a fundamental thing that should be learned from the high school level very well, and in intermediate level you have to know it precisely, and so you should revise what you have learned at high school level, what you were taught by your teacher at high school, and then you will understand. Students and the viewers, thank you for joining with me. I hope that I will come next with better performance. Thank you. See you again.